So under modules, I clicked the button that says SketchUp File Upload, and that shows me the SketchUp login. When you go there, make sure you click this bottom button that says Sign In with Google, and then select your Google account with school. Once you're here, you're going to be ready to set up your template. Click the arrow button that says Create New, and select millimeters from the simple template. The first thing we're going to do is delete this person. Go ahead and click on that person, press the eraser button, and then click on that person again. Now the person is gone. Next, we're going to set up our base. We are making a coin, so we want a circle. Click the circle and click and drag. Let go and don't hit any other buttons except the keyboard. We're going to pick a number between 15 and 20 for the diameter. So I'm going to pick 15 millimeters. Enter. It looks like it disappeared. It did not. All I need to do is click this rotate button and select from it this item right here, which is called Zoom Extents. Click that and it will zoom in so that we can see the whole thing. The next item that I'm going to use is the push or pull. And then I'm going to use this top one, push or pull. And I'm going to click and hold while I lift it up 1 millimeter. You can see down here that I had lifted it 1 millimeter. Now we have 3 more millimeters to play with. So I'm going to go back over here and click the orbit button. The orbit button allows me to move around so I can see the top or the side of the image. I'm going to move so I can see the top. I'm going to come back over here to some of my shapes. For this one, I'm going to try and make a smiley face. So I'm going to make 1 eye, 2 eyes, and then I want to make a smile of some sort. So I think I'm going to use my arc tool to try and make a smile. Let me see which one I want. I'm going to try this one. I'm not sure if it's the right one, but I'm going to give it a shot. Oops, that's not the right tool. Let me try a different tool. Maybe this one? That one will work. I just need to make sure I do it properly. So I'm going to start here and then go here and make my smile. I kind of like that. Okay, next I'm going to come back over to my push or pull, and I'm going to lift each of these up 1 millimeter. I can see it on the bottom right corner. Go up 1 millimeter when I do this. I love this smiley face. I think it's pretty cute. The reason why I have to lift it up is because otherwise the 3D printer won't print it. I'm going to orbit to show you what that looks like. So when I look from the side, you can see that these things are elevated. If they are flat, then it will not print. So make sure that you push or pull it. If you are making mistakes, you can hit Control and the letter Z to undo, or I know that there's an undo button up here as well. I'm going to undo enough so that I can remake the face so that I can show you what I'm talking about. So now I'm just going to use this line tool, and I'm creating what I would consider to be kind of a smile. And I'm going to again use the push or pull to lift up those eyes. Now because this is a single line, I can't lift it up, which means when I 3D print it, the only things that are going to show are these 2 eyes, because that line is flat and it can't print flat things. So make sure that anything that you create in SketchUp is 3D printable. Anything that you create in SketchUp should be printable, 3D printable, because otherwise you're going to end up trying really, really hard on your design and only part of it will print, and that will be so sad. So again, everything that you make must be lifted off the surface. You have 4 millimeters high that you can go, so I have only lifted it up 2. 1 from the base and then 1 from this height. So I can go up 2 more millimeters if I would like to. Please make sure you really take your time and do what you would like to do. The next video, I will show you how to save this so that I am able to 3D print it. Thank you so much. Tune into the next video.